Welcome to the Philippines, a land of hidden wonders and jaw-dropping surprises. Here in the western Pacific Ocean, over 7,000 islands rise from the sea, creating a tapestry of vibrant ecosystems and diverse cultures. In this video, we'll journey across emerald isles and delve into ancient forests, uncovering the secrets of this extraordinary archipelago. Get ready to encounter unique wildlife, from the world's smallest primate to the gentle giants of the sea. We'll explore ancient rice terraces carved into the mountainside centuries ago, and marvel at the engineering ingenuity of a people deeply connected to their land. Prepare to be captivated by vibrant festivals and ancient traditions, a testament to the rich cultural heritage of the Philippines. Join us as we uncover 15 surprising facts about this beautiful archipelago that will leave you in awe. From the mystical depths of underground rivers to the fiery heart of active volcanoes, the Philippines offers a journey of discovery unlike any other. So sit back, relax, and prepare to be amazed by the wonders that await. The adventure is just beginning. Our journey begins on the shores of Boracay, an island renowned for its pristine beaches and crystal-clear waters. The fine white sand, soft as silk beneath your feet, stretches for miles, inviting relaxation and contemplation. But beneath the surface of the turquoise waves, a kaleidoscope of life awaits. Coral reefs, teeming with an abundance of marine species, create an underwater wonderland. Schools of vibrantly colored fish dart amongst the coral, while graceful sea turtles glide through the warm waters. Lucky visitors might even catch a glimpse of the elusive reef sharks patrolling their territory. The waters surrounding Boracay are a testament to the incredible biodiversity of the Philippines. The delicate balance of this ecosystem reminds us of the importance of conservation, ensuring that future generations can also marvel at the beauty of this underwater paradise. So take a deep breath, dive in, and discover the magic that lies beneath the surface of Boracay's azure waters. We journey now to the heart of Bohol Island, home to a geological marvel that seems to defy explanation. Spread across the landscape, as far as the eye can see, are thousands of perfectly formed, grass-covered hills. These are the Chocolate Hills, a truly unique and mesmerizing sight. During the dry season, the lush green grass covering these hills transforms into a rich chocolate brown, giving the landscape its namesake appearance. The exact formation of these hills remains a mystery, shrouded in local legends and scientific debate. Some believe they are the remnants of ancient coral reefs, thrust up from the ocean floor by geological forces. Others speculate they were formed by the weathering of volcanic rock over millennia. Whatever their origin, the Chocolate Hills stand as a testament to the powerful forces that have shaped our planet. Their unique beauty draws visitors from around the globe, eager to witness this extraordinary natural phenomenon. Standing amongst these gently rolling hills, one can't help but feel a sense of wonder and awe at the incredible artistry of the natural world. High in the Cordillera mountain range of Luzon Island, we find a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance, the Banaue Rice Terraces. Carved into the mountain slopes over 2,000 years ago, these ancient rice paddies are a sight to behold. Imagine, if you will, generations of the Ifugao people, meticulously shaping these terraces by hand, using only rudimentary tools. Their efforts have transformed the landscape into a breathtaking spectacle of cascading green steps, seemingly climbing towards the heavens. These terraces are not merely a feat of engineering, but a symbol of the Ifugao people's deep connection to the land. They represent a way of life that has been passed down through countless generations, a harmonious balance between humanity and nature. Our journey takes us deep into the heart of Palawan, an island renowned for its natural wonders. Here, concealed beneath a limestone karst landscape, lies the Puerto Princesa subterranean river, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Embark on a boat trip along this subterranean river, and you'll be transported into a realm of otherworldly beauty. The darkness is alive with the gentle lapping of water against the boat and the echoing sounds of dripping water, a symphony of nature's own creation. Gaze upwards and you'll be greeted by an awe-inspiring display of stalactites and stalagmites, sculpted over millennia by the relentless forces of water and time. These formations take on fantastical shapes, igniting the imagination and whispering tales of the Earth's ancient past. The Puerto Princesa subterranean river is a testament to the power of nature's artistry, a hidden gem in the Philippine archipelago. Venturing into the rainforests of Bohol, we encounter a creature of both extraordinary appearance and fascinating adaptations, the tarsier. These diminutive primates, no larger than a human hand, are masters of stealth and nocturnal living. Their most striking feature is undoubtedly their enormous eyes, each one larger than its brain. These remarkable eyes grant the tarsier exceptional night vision, allowing them to navigate the darkness with ease and hunt their prey, primarily insects, with remarkable precision. Their elongated fingers and toes, tipped with specialized pads, provide the tarsier with an incredible grip, enabling them to effortlessly cling to branches and leap from tree to tree. These agile primates are perfectly adapted to their arboreal lifestyle, seldom, if ever, touching the ground. The tarsier, a creature seemingly frozen in time, reminds us of the incredible diversity of life that thrives in the Philippine archipelago. From the natural wonders of the Philippines, we now journey into the bustling heart of its cities, where a different kind of spectacle awaits. Here, amongst the throngs of people and the cacophony of city life, we find the jeepney. These vibrant, boisterous vehicles are unlike anything else on Earth. Originally adapted from U.S. military jeeps left over from World War II, Filipinos have transformed these utilitarian vehicles into flamboyant symbols of national pride. Each jeepney is a riot of color adorned with intricate artwork, chrome embellishments, and religious icons. No two are ever quite the same. The jeepney is more than just transportation, it is a cultural icon, a rolling testament to the Filipinos' resilience, ingenuity, and love of life. They are a symbol of the country's history, reflecting the melding of American and Filipino cultures. And just like the archipelago itself, jeepneys are known for their crowded, often chaotic nature. But within this seeming disorder lies a remarkable efficiency. Jeepneys follow loosely defined routes, picking up and dropping off passengers with a wave and a call. The Philippines, a land of vibrant culture and joyous celebrations, bursts into life every January with the Ati-Atihan Festival. Held in the town of Caloocan on the island of Banaue, this festival is a sensory explosion of color, music, and dance. The festival is a dazzling fusion of indigenous traditions and Catholic faith. It's believed to have originated as a pagan animist celebration honoring the Santo Niño, the Holy Child Jesus. Over time, it evolved to incorporate elements of Christianity, creating a unique blend of religious observance and cultural revelry. For 1 week, the streets of Caloocan transform into a sea of humanity. Participants, their faces painted with black soot, don elaborate costumes adorned with feathers, beads, and shimmering fabrics. The air thrums with the relentless beat of drums, urging the dancers onward in a frenetic yet rhythmic frenzy. The Ati-Atihan is a testament to the Filipinos' infectious zest for life. It's a celebration of faith, a tribute to their heritage, and a reminder of the enduring power of community. Our exploration of the Philippines now takes us on a journey for the palate. Filipino food is a vibrant tapestry woven from centuries of cultural influences. Combining indigenous flavors with Spanish, Malay, Chinese, and American influences, it's a cuisine as diverse and fascinating as the islands themselves. Perhaps the most iconic Filipino dish is adobo. Chicken or pork is slow-cooked in a tangy marinade of vinegar, soy sauce, garlic, and peppercorns, resulting in a dish that is both savory and deeply satisfying. It's a dish that embodies the Filipino philosophy of balancing contrasting flavors. Another staple is sinigang, a sour soup that tantalizes the taste buds. The sourness, often derived from tamarind, creates a wonderfully refreshing broth that's perfect for the Philippines' tropical climate. Whether it's pork, beef, seafood, or vegetables simmering in the broth, sinigang is a true comfort food. And for a real taste of celebration, one must try lechon. A whole roasted pig with skin crackling and succulent meat is the centerpiece of special occasions. It's a testament to the Filipinos' love of food, family, and feasting. Dominating the landscape of southern Luzon, we find Mayon, one of the Philippines' most iconic landmarks. This majestic volcano, with its near-perfect conical shape, stands as a testament to the powerful forces that have shaped our planet. But Mayon is not merely a dormant giant, it is very much alive. Over the centuries, Mayon has erupted numerous times, its fiery temperament a source of both awe and fear for the local population. These eruptions, while destructive, have also enriched the surrounding soil, making the region incredibly fertile. This delicate balance between creation and destruction is a hallmark of volcanic regions around the world. Despite the inherent risks, people live and thrive on Mayon's slopes, drawn to its fertile lands. They have learned to coexist with this fiery giant, respecting its power while benefiting from its bounty. Mayon serves as a constant reminder that we share this planet with forces far greater than ourselves. Deep in the rainforests of Mindanao, the island south of Luzon, flows a river shrouded in mystery and legend. Known as the Enchanted River, Its waters shine with an otherworldly brilliance, a vibrant sapphire blue that seems to defy explanation. For generations, local folklore has attributed this enchantment to mystical beings, spirits that guard the river's depths. The source of the Enchanted River's captivating color remains a subject of debate even amongst scientists. Some believe it to be a result of the sunlight's interaction with the unique mineral content of the water. Others propose that underwater springs, yet to be discovered, might contribute to this mesmerizing hue. Whatever the scientific explanation, there's no denying the captivating allure of the Enchanted River. Swimmers are drawn to its cool, inviting waters while adventurers come seeking to unravel its secrets. This hidden gem, tucked away in the heart of the rainforest, stands as a testament to the Philippines' untamed beauty. High in the canopies of the Philippine rainforests, a magnificent predator soars. This is the Philippine eagle, a creature of breathtaking beauty and unparalleled hunting prowess. With a wingspan reaching up to 7 feet, it is one of the largest eagles on Earth, a true monarch of the skies. The Philippine eagle, also known as the monkey-eating eagle, plays a critical role in its ecosystem. As an apex predator, it helps to regulate populations of monkeys, snakes, and other animals, ensuring the delicate balance of the rainforest remains intact. Its presence is an indicator of a healthy ecosystem, a sign that the forest is thriving. Sadly, this magnificent creature is facing a perilous future. Habitat loss due to deforestation and hunting have pushed the Philippine eagle to the brink of extinction. Fewer than 400 mature individuals are estimated to remain in the wild, making it one of the rarest bird species on our planet. Journey to the southern waters of this magnificent archipelago, where the turquoise waves host the remarkable Vinta. These traditional boats with vibrant sails are integral to Filipino culture. Imagine the sun rising over the Sulu Sea, casting a golden glow upon the water. The Vinta, with intricate sails, emerge from coastal havens. Crafted from wood and powered by wind, they showcase Filipino ingenuity. Their construction, passed down through generations, is a testament to enduring traditions. Gliding across the waves, they carry a rich legacy. Used for fishing, trading, and transportation, they connect islands and communities, a symbol of resilience and resourcefulness, navigating challenges with grace and determination. Our exploration of the Philippines takes us to the Hundred Islands National Park. Scattered across the Lingayen Gulf, these limestone formations rise like emeralds. 123 islands, each sculpted into cliffs, caves, and coves. Imagine sailing through this labyrinth, the sun glinting off the water, hidden lagoons teeming with life, coral reefs ablaze with color, shelter marine creatures, a paradise for snorkelers and divers. The true magic lies in their sheer abundance. To stand on one island and gaze upon 100 more, a sight that leaves one breathless. And now, we journey to the northernmost frontier of the Philippines, a place where the elements have sculpted a landscape unlike any other. These are the Batanes Islands, a remote archipelago where the Pacific Ocean collides with the East China Sea. Here, the very air hums with a constant wind, a force that has shaped the island's unique ecosystem. Trees cling tenaciously to the slopes, their branches permanently bent by the relentless gusts. The land itself seems to rise and fall in dramatic undulations, a testament to the raw power of nature. Yet, amidst this untamed beauty, we find a people who have not only adapted but thrived. The Ati-Atihans, as they are known, have for centuries built their homes from the very stone that forms the island's backbone. These sturdy structures, with their thick walls and sloping roofs, stand as enduring symbols of human resilience in the face of nature's might. Our final destination takes us to the warm waters off the coast of Donsol, a place where giants gather. Here in this corner of the Philippine archipelago, we encounter the largest fish on Earth, the awe-inspiring whale shark. These gentle behemoths, some reaching lengths of over 40 feet, are filter feeders, their massive mouths filtering vast quantities of plankton from the water. They are a truly humbling sight to behold, their enormous size belying a calm and peaceful nature. Each year from November to June, these magnificent creatures congregate in the nutrient-rich waters off Donsol, drawing visitors from around the globe. It's a unique opportunity for humans to interact with these gentle giants, a reminder of the incredible biodiversity that thrives in our oceans. And so, our journey through the Philippines comes to an end. The Philippines, an archipelago teeming with life, a land of contrasts and breathtaking beauty. From the smallest primate, the tarsier, to the largest fish, the whale shark, the islands offer a glimpse into a world of extraordinary diversity. Which fact shocked you the most? Was it the Chocolate Hills geological marvel, the mystical depths of the Enchanted River, or perhaps the chance to swim alongside the gentle giants of Donsol? Let us know in the comments. We hope you've enjoyed this journey through the Philippines' most jaw-dropping wonders. Subscribe for more mind-blowing travel videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next adventure.